Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel. Today we will focus on natural beauty and holistic wellness. Today, we're diving into 5 natural ways to enhance your skin's glow. If you're ready to shine brighter than ever, stay tuned. Our first tip is all about hydration. Water is essential for keeping your skin hydrated from the inside out. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. For an extra boost, try adding slices of cucumber, lemon, or mint to your water. These not only make your water taste better, but also add extra nutrients that are great for your skin. Hydration is the foundation of healthy skin, so keep that water bottle close by. Next up is eating a balanced diet. Incorporate plenty of fruits and vegetables that are rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Foods like berries, avocados, and leafy greens can do wonders for your skin. They help to protect your skin from damage and keep it looking youthful and radiant. For example, berries are packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals, while avocados are rich in healthy fats that nourish your skin from within. Make sure to include a variety of colorful fruits and veggies in your meals for the best results. Third, let's talk about your skincare routine. Opt for natural products that are free from harsh chemicals. Ingredients like aloe vera, honey, and coconut oil are fantastic for keeping your skin moisturized and glowing. Aloe vera soothes and hydrates. Honey has antibacterial properties, and coconut oil is deeply moisturizing. Remember to cleanse, tone, and moisturize daily. A weekly face mask using these natural ingredients can also provide an extra boost of nourishment. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, so make sure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night. Try to create a relaxing bedtime routine to help you wind down and prepare for sleep. This can include activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing meditation. Good sleep not only improves your skin's appearance, but also your overall health and well-being. Last but not least, exercise regularly. Physical activity increases blood circulation, which helps to nourish your skin cells and keep them healthy. Plus, it helps to reduce stress, which can have a big impact on your skin's appearance. Exercise brings a natural glow to your skin. And there you have it, 5 natural ways to enhance your skin's glow. Remember, it's all about consistency and making these tips a part of your daily routine. By following these steps thoughtfully, you can achieve the best skin for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and give me a thumbs up. This gives us even more courage to make better videos in the future. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself, take care of your family and people around you, and spread love. Goodbye.